What's going on YouTube? And as you can see, the Mercedes E350 is nowhere to be seen, and that's not because I've sold it, that's not because it's been written off and it hasn't been stolen. It's been down at Detail by Dale for the last 3 days getting a full machine polish and a ceramic coat. The reason I did that is because he did such a good job on the wheels. The rest of the car was, I mean, he was letting those wheels down, weren't doing them justice, so I decided to book it in with him to get that full machine detail done on the body, and apparently it looks absolutely amazing. It looks better than it did when it came out of the factory. I have seen a photo on the first day when they did the first machine on it, and it looked amazing then, so I can't wait to see it now. So we're going to head down, we're going to go and pick the car up, and we're going to go and see what it looks like. Let's get on. So we're here, Detail by Dale, and the Mercedes is just there. Oh my days, Dale has knocked it out of the park. The car looked absolutely sick. It looks better. I think it looks better than it ever would have done when it came out the factory. He's machine polished it, ceramic coated it, and it just looks superb. So come on, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So as you can see, the car looks out of this world. It just shines its arse off. I just don't know. I don't know where to start. Well, the carbon mirrors, he's brought those up an absolute treat. Now they were new, but they were a little bit dull, and they just look absolutely awesome. Obviously the wheels, they just look sick because they've only recently been done. But look at the shine on the body, the lights, and the rear spoiler. Honestly, this, considering it was a second-hand spoiler off eBay, it looks brand new. I just don't know what to say. It just looks absolutely out of this world. It's really starting to come together, the Mercedes is. I was going to wrap it, but then when I saw that Dale had done the wheels and how good he could bring the body up, I was just like, no, we're going to get it detailed. We still got a few things to do, so obviously I've still got the holes in the front bumper. They still need to be sorted at some point. We don't know what we're going to do with the front end on this. I don't know whether we're going to go E63, but either way, we're probably going to get those holes filled. But, I mean, at the moment, just looks out of this world. So we've left Detail by Dale's now, and as you can see, the car absolutely shines its arse off outside in the sunlight as well. I'm so pleased with the way it turned out. Totally worth the money, and it's going to make it so much easier for me to keep on top of and clean. So there we are. To look at the Mercedes in the sunlight, you need to put your sunglasses on, and that's what I've got right here, because the glare and the shine is literally out of this world. Dale has knocked it out of the park. Now, if you want to know any more about Detail by Dale and the stuff that he does, check out the links in the description below. Now guys, if you like what you see, why not smash that subscribe button, turn the notifications on, give me a thumbs up, comment in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.